Okay, you adrenaline junkies, grab your custom lob wedge and let's get that heart rate cranking. I've got 10 Indiana paces from the flag to the edge of the bunker. Absolutely shitting myself. I talk about regulating tempo a lot with short game. This is going to be an example of my long, slow swing. Ball forward, low handle, open face. Long, slow swing. You ever heard the term be the ball? Well, how would you be the ball here? Probably not low and jabby. In this case, once again, let's do it one more time. Ball forward, low handle, open face. Long and lazy. Ball comes out like a butterfly with sore legs. Give that one a go.